Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ardo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now, a good skincare regime is really important for many reasons. It helps to keep your skin in good condition. Now, we are shredding our skin cells throughout the day, so it is really important to keep your skin healthy and glowing. An effective skincare product can actually prevent your skin from getting dull. It can treat wrinkles, dark spots, pigmentation, help boost collagen production. It can also help to maintain even toned skin and keep your skin look at its best. Now, similar to the benefits of healthy food for your body, an effective skincare ingredient can improve the texture of your skin. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about one such product which has quality ingredients in it like vitamin C, niacinamide, SPF 25, and the product that I'll be talking about today is Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Creme with SPF 25, which brightens, repairs, and hydrates your skin. This product has no preservatives, no toxic ingredients, and it is a certified safe cosmetics. Now, please continue to watch the entire video because in this video, I'm going to talk about this product in brief. I'm going to talk about its benefits, its ingredients, how it has improved the texture of my skin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. So now let us talk about the packaging. The outer packaging comes in a green color cardboard packaging like this. On the top of it, it is written Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Creme, which brightens, repairs, and hydrates your skin. Now, this product has SPF 25. It has vitamin C in it, and the main ingredients also mentioned as the second most ingredient in this, which is niacinamide. The quantity of this product is 50 grams. It is priced at rupees 595, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years. At one side, it is written why you should go for Lotus Botanicals. It is because it has pure plant power. They have time-tested unique formulas, and they believe in ethical beauty. Now, why vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Creme? Rise and shine with Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Creme. This lightweight formulation brightens your skin and restores its natural moisture. This vitamin C powerhouse helps boost skin's glow while fighting signs of fatigue and environmental aggressor. It is mentioned how to use this product. The ingredients list is also mentioned. I'll also mention the ingredients list in the description box. Also, this product is paraben-free, mineral oil-free, 100% vegan, not tested on animals, and this packaging is recyclable. Now, it also comes with a caution that they recommend a patch test before first use. Natural products can also cause allergic reactions in people. Discontinue if redness, inflammation, irritation occurs. Avoid using on inflamed skin. Avoid contact with eyes if contact occurs. Rinse thoroughly with water. Store in cool, dark place. It also states why vitamin C is important for your skin. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals created in the skin due to oxidative stress. It also aids in skin's natural cell regeneration process. This powerhouse ingredient is well known for its skin brightening benefits that work to fade spots, scars, and pigmentation. The product comes in a green color glass tub like this. On the top of it, it is written Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Creme. It has a silver color screw cap, and inside of it, you are again given a caps to protect the product from spilling. The color of the cream is peach in color, and if I show you how beautiful the texture is, it is very light textured cream. As you can see, it just melts into your skin. It has such a light, non-greasy formula that you will absolutely fall in love. Talking about the fragrance is like heaven in a tub. The fragrance is like next level relaxing. Feels like as if you're walking in a botanical garden with exotic flowers around. Now talking about its ingredients. It has vitamin C. Now vitamin C is the powerhouse ingredient known for its brightening properties. It brightens your skin. It reduces dark spots. Helps you with your pigmentation. It helps boost collagen production. It aids in skin's natural cell regeneration. Now, it has niacinamide. Now, niacinamide is a stable vitamin that helps to hydrate your skin. It promotes skin elasticity, decreases redness or blotchiness, acts as an antioxidant fighting free radicals, and it is safe for all skin types. It has also SPF 25, which will help you from the harmful rays of the sun. Now, let me show you how this product instantly brightens up your skin. Now let me show you how to use this product. Now, for any product to work on your skin, you need to ensure that you have cleansed your skin properly. I have cleansed my skin with a mild face wash. Now I'm going to apply this product. You just need a teeny tiny bit of this product. Just take a little bit of product. This much is enough. And then apply it all over your face in dots and never leave your neck. And then gently in circular motion massage your entire face. It absorbs to your skin so beautifully within seconds, gives you a very non-greasy feeling, and after few uses, the results, you will see that there is a visible brightness, clarity to your skin. If you have any spots, it literally reduces those spots. The best part is this creme has worked wonderfully on my sensitive skin. It did not give me any breakouts, no clogged pores, instantly brightens up my skin, and it has given me impressive results. So let me talk about the pros of this product. Now, it has potent ingredients in it like vitamin C, niacinamide, SPF 25, which give effective results. It is very lightweight, non-greasy. It even tones your skin. It helps in minor spots and pigmentation. It instantly gives clarity and brightens up your skin. It has a heavenly fragrance and it is suitable for all skin type, including sensitive skin. Cons, it has none. So guys, this is the creme that you can consider getting for yourself because it does deliver visible, impressive results. So I believe this review had been helpful and you liked watching this video. And if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I have listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.